Okay, Assalamualaikum. So today we will continue for 1.3 Logarithms, chapter 1. Okay, at the end of the lesson, students should be able to define logarithms, express the law of logarithms, change the base of logarithms, and solve equation involving logarithms. So hopefully dapat capailah learning outcomes for today. Okay. Okay, log. Okay, we have form, index form. Okay, index form that we have discussed before in 1.1, that y is equals to a to the power of x. So a is base and x is index, right? X is index. So when you change to log form, okay, base a become base for index. Alright, no need to change. Alright, so still base A juga. And then X power index ni, X letak dekat equal. This one. Okay, so we have log y base A, okay, is equal to X. When you change to log form. Right, vice versa lah. From log form you change to index pun sama. First you check base. Alright, you check base. Okay, and where a is a positive value greater than 0 and a is not equals to 1. Okay, for example, okay, a is equals to 2/3. Okay, first you check base. Okay, base is 2, right? So you change to log form. Still we have base 2. All right. And then index is 3. Right. Index 3. So 3 you write here. Right side of equal. So log 8 base 2 is equals to 3. Same as this one from log form, you change to index form. Log 100 base 10 is equals to 2. Okay, you check base. So base is 10. So here is base 10. Then how to write the index? Index, that is this one, right side of log. So it become index power. So 100 is equals to 10 squared. Okay. So next we have two types of common log and natural log. Two types of logarithm. Okay, the first one is common log. What is common log? Log that base 10. Right? Log m base 10. Right? This one is common log. For example, log 2 base 10. Or without writing any base, that is log 5. Okay? So tahulah. Tak tulis base pun, ini adalah log base 10. Or we write as log LG. Okay, LG A. Right. So kita tahu. Without writing any base, that means this one is common log. And then next one is natural. Okay, natural log. Natural log is log base E. Okay, log base E M. Okay, or we always write log base E as ln. Ln, that means base E, right? Ln M. Sama ya. Ni sama. Okay. Kita tak tulis base E. Kita tulis ln. So ln ln. So that means we have base E. For example, ln 5, ln 10, right? Kita tahulah. Ln 3, tahulah base tu, base E. Okay, next part is a law of logarithm. Okay, you must remember. Ingat dan hafal. Okay, the first law of logarithm is log m n multiplication. That means log m plus log n. Right, multiplication. For example, log 3 times 2 is equals to log 3 plus log 2. 3 times 2, multiplication. Okay, next. Log division, right? M over n. So equals to log m minus log n. Alright, log m minus log n. For example, log 5 over 3 is equals to log 5 minus log 3. Alright, bahagi. Okay, next, power. Okay, so power log m power p is equals to p log m. You bring power in front. This one, you bring power in front. Okay, for example, log 4 power 3 is equals to 3 log 4. Okay. So, you must remember the basic law of logarithm to solve any types of logarithm questions. Okay, and then you must remember for this one, the first one is log m plus n is not equals to log m plus log n. Alright, you compare with the first law. Nampak macam sama, tapi tak sama tu. Okay, tak sama kat mana? Ni m plus n. This one is m times n. Okay, next for division. Okay, for division, log m over log n is not equals to log m minus log n. Right, samalah case ni. Okay, so you compare with second law, this one. Nampak macam sama kan? Tapi tak sama. Okay. Then the last one is log m bracket power p. This one also not equals to p log m. You check power, that is p. Power p belongs to log m. Alright, and then this one, ni power p belongs to m only. Ni belongs to log m. Right, so nampak macam sama tapi sebenarnya tak sama. Ingat ya. Okay, and then also take note for this one, log a base a is equals to 1 or 2 base 2 is also equals to 1. Okay, then log 1 for any base. Okay, log 1 for any base is equals to 0. And then we have a. Okay, a to the power of log x base a is equals to x. That means a, ni base a, so you can be cancelled out. So 1 times dengan x is equals to x. Okay. Next. Okay, next. Alright. Same with 2 to the power of log base 2 m. Okay, is equals to 2 to the power of log base 2 is equals to 1. So 1 times m is m. Same as e to the power of ln. Ln s. Okay, so e to the power of ln is log base e is equals to 1. 1 times s is equals to s. Okay, next part. Changing base from base A to base B. Okay, here is base A. Okay, base A. There is log base A. We want to change to base B. Okay, that means okay log x base A. Okay, dia akan jadi ni x kan. Okay, dekat numerator. So log x base B. Ini yang kita nak tukar base. Okay, base B. And then for base A, okay, sini. Ni base A. Okay, in denominator. This one. Okay, log A base base B. So dapatlah daripada base A change to base B. Or when we change x is equals to B. That means x. So log B base A is equals to over log A base B. So this one equals to 1 over log A base B. Alright. So this one dia terbalik sebenarnya. 1 over ni base A dia tukar kat sini. Kan? Then here is base B. B. Change to base B. Nampak tak? Okay. Boleh ya? Look at example. Example 8. Example 8. Convert each of the following to logarithmic function. Okay, logarithmic function. 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 81. First you check a base. Alright, base 3. So log base 3. Okay, now okay. Then index. Okay, index is 4. So 4 next to equal lah. Kan? 4 here. So fill in the blank. That is 81. So log 81 base 3 is equals to 4. Okay, next B. E to the power of x is equals to 5. So base. First you check base. So base log base E. Okay, equals to power index. So sini. X here equals to x. Okay, now here is 5. Log base E, that is ln. Ln 5 is equals to x. Okay, next. Example 9. Convert each of the following to index form. So log 1 to 5 is equals to 3. Here is 3. Okay, change to index. Okay. First you check base. Base. Here is base 5. That means 5. Index, berapa index? Equals to 1 to 5. So index is 3. 3. So 5 cube is equals to 1 to 5. Or 1 to 5 is equals to 5 cube. Samalah. Okay. Log 2 base 8 is equals to 1/3. Okay, so 2 is equals to base 8. Okay, power 1/3. 2 is equals to 8 to the power of 1/3. Alright. Find values of base A of the following logarithm. 3 is equals to log 343. Okay, base A. Okay, so base A daripada log base A, so tukar kepada index form, dia tetap dia jadi base juga. Ni, tetap jadi base juga in index form. That means A cube is equals to 343. So now you check calculator. Okay, value of 343. Change to base berapa? That means power dia sama, power 3. So you check calculator, we have 7 cube, right? 7 cube is 343. So A cube is equals to 7 cube. So now we have index are same, 3. Okay, so you just compare for base. So A is equals to 7. Okay, next B. Half is equals to log 4 base A. So you change to index form, that is A to the power of half is equals to 4. Alright. Okay, so kita guna method lain daripada A ni. That means kita nak eliminate. Okay, eliminate power half. So how? Right. The idea is you taking power of 2 both sides. Alright. So power of 2, that means you can cancel out. So we get A. Right. If we have A to the power of 104, that means taking power 4 both sides. Boleh faham? Okay, so the value of A is equals to 16. Okay, next. Example 11. Without using calculator, evaluate the following. Log 16. Okay, log 16 base 2. So, the first thing is how to relate between 2 and 16. Okay, we know that log A base A is equals to 1. Right? So, kita nak dapatkan term ni. So, how? Okay, the idea is kita tukar 16 you change to base 2. Alright, 16 you change to base 2. That means base berapa? Okay, so 16 actually 2 to the power of 4. So you apply power rule. Okay, power rule. So bring 4 in front. We get 4 log 2 base 2. So 1. 1 times 4, that is equals to 4. Okay, next, B. Log point form, 0.04 base 5. So first, you change to a fraction form. That is 4 over 100. Right. So log 4 over 100 can be simplified as 1 over 25. Okay, and then 1 over 25 can be written as 5 to the power of negative 2. Refer to rules of indices. Okay, then next you apply power rule. Okay, power rule, that is power negative 2 you bring in front. So we get negative 2, okay, log 5 base 5. So the answer is negative 2. Okay, next, C. 2 log 5 plus log 70 plus log 45 over 35 minus log 45 over 2. So first, you look at the coefficient of log yang ada depan log ni. So nampak tak kita ada 2 sahaja depan ni kan. This one is 1, here is 1, here is 1. Right. So the first term can be written as log 5 squared. Alright. Coefficient to become power or index. Okay. And then The rest you just copy. So plus log 70 plus log 45 over 35 minus log 45 over 2. Okay, then we apply the rules of law of logarithm. That is log 5 squared is 25 times plus times 70, this one plus, so times 45 minus 35, and then ni minus, that means divide. So divide 45 over 2. Alright. Then log, you simplify. This one can be cancelled out. So the rest you copy 25 times 2 times 45. Okay, divide. Divide this one. So you change to multiplication. So times 2 over 40, 45. Alright. Okay, then dia tukar kan numerator jadi denominator. Okay, then you simplify. This one cancel out. So we have log 100. Okay, log 100 base 10, right? So how to relate 100 and 10? Okay, so 100 actually 10 squared. So you bring power to in front. So we get log 10 base 10. That is 1. So 1 times 2 is equals to 2. Okay, next example, D. Log 64 base 3 divide by log 4 base 3. So you just change ni division sign, okay, to per log 4 base 3. Right. And now how to relate 64 and 3. Kita tak boleh tukar kepada base 3, right? Tak ada kan? So yang kita ada 64 is log what? 4 cube. Correct. 4 cube is 64 over denominator, okay, log 4 base 3. And then next step is you bring power, okay, power 3 to in front, that is 3 log 4 base 3 over log 4 base 3. So you cancel out. The answer is equals to 3. Right. Okay, next. Example 12. Without using calculator, evaluate the following. Log 4 base 64. Okay, tengok base. Base besar daripada value 4. Right. So the idea dia adalah you change the base. There is log log base A, log B base A is equals to 1 over log A base B. This one. So, macam mana nak buat? Log change to base 4 lah. Right. So log 4 is 4 over log 64 base 4. Right. 1 over log 64 is 4 cube. This one. So 1 over 3 log 4 base 4, that is equals to 1 over 3. Right. Okay, next. Log 243 base 1/3. Base pecahan. So how to simplify? So first we change to base 1/3, that is 3 the power of negative 1, right? So we change to base 3. So log change to base 3. Macam mana nak change base? 243, here is 243 over log base 3 1/3. Right. Okay, then boleh tak awak fikir, boleh tak 243 you change to base 3. to the power of something lah. Alright. So we have 2, 4, 3 is 3 to the power of 5 over log, okay, 1/3, okay, 1/3, you change to base 3, that is 3 power -1. Alright, then you apply power rule. So we get power rule 5 log 3 base 3 over -1 log 3 base 3. So this one cancel out. The answer is -5. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.